Ever wondered what the secret to a radiant, glowing skin could be? Well, it might be closer than you think. Yes, in your very own bathroom. This might come as a surprise, but we're talking about your bath salts. Bath salts are often associated with a relaxing, aromatic soak in the tub. But did you know they are much more than just an accessory for your bath time? They are, in fact, a potent skincare tool packed with beneficial salts and minerals. These salts and minerals are key components that can work wonders for your skin. They not only help to detoxify and cleanse your skin, but also aid in retaining moisture, leaving it soft, smooth, and above all, radiant. So the next time you indulge in a luxurious bath, remember, you're not just pampering yourself, you're also nourishing your skin. That's right, the secret to a naturally glowing skin could be hiding in your bath salts. So, how exactly do salts and minerals work wonders for your skin? Well, when you dissolve salts in your bath, they break down into two elements, magnesium and sulfate. Here's the magic part. Your skin, our body's largest organ, is pretty good at absorbing these elements. This absorption process is where the skin reaps the benefits. Magnesium is crucial for several functions in the body, including nerve function and muscle relaxation. Sulfate, on the other hand, helps flush toxins and can aid in the formation of proteins in joints and brain tissue. Together, they hydrate, detoxify, and heal your skin, while also relieving stress and improving sleep. Now, let's talk about minerals like calcium, potassium, and sodium. They're found in certain bath salts and have their own set of benefits. They can clean and purify your skin, helping to restore its natural balance and glow. As you can see, adding salts and minerals to your bath is like giving your skin a nourishing, rejuvenating treat. So, to recap what we've learned about the power of salts and minerals for your skin, these aren't just fancy extras for your bath time, but rather, they are key players in achieving that radiant, youthful glow. Salts, particularly Epsom and Himalayan, are natural exfoliators that scrub away dead skin cells, revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. They're not just surface-level workers either. These minerals dive deep, detoxifying your skin from the inside out. And let's not forget the power of trace minerals like magnesium and zinc, which play a vital role in skin health, regeneration, and protection. The result of incorporating these salts and minerals into your bath routine? Expect to see smoother, softer, and more supple skin. You'll notice a decrease in inflammation and an increase in your skin's natural glow. Remember, your skincare routine is not just about what you apply on your skin, but also about what you soak your skin in. So next time you take a bath, don't forget to add some salts and minerals for that extra glow.